骑行在冰岛，现在是营地生活。这个营地的厨房好热闹，这里做着菜，然后搭配的是火锅底料。然后这里有一群来自马来西亚，Yeah，哎呀，看一下他们做的美食。What are you looking cooking?
Now we are cooking
Curry?
curry.
Okay. And what's that? Noodles?
Noodles.
I see. Looks like delicious.
Fish curry.
Fish curry.
Chicken curry.
How many team you have?
How many?
12? How many cars?
Two cars.
Two cars?
Camper.
Easy camping?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can easy.
But easy camping is so small.
No, camper van.
Oh, it's a big one?
Yeah, big one.
Oh, too big.
Yeah.
Okay. Later I visit.
Okay.
Okay. Is it dangerous? That meat is chicken?
Chicken.
Okay.
Chicken fish.
Okay. You buy at supermarket?
Yes.
Okay.
Tomato.
Oh.
Do you know some kung fu?
I know Kung Fu Panda.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. He know Kung Fu.
Yeah, show,
Oh
yellow.
yeah.
Yeah.
I show him?
Yeah, sure.
But just a little bit.
Oh, no problem. Show you.
Yeah.
Like Shaolin.
Oh. Yeah. Excellent.
I learned it from Ip Man.
Yes, it?
Ip Man.
Iman?
Ip Man.
Yongchun Yewen.
Yeah. We are from Malaysia.
Yeah. Do you know your university?
Yes.
Okay. So that now is your vacation?
Yeah.
Ah. Enjoy. Had a good experience.
This is the 6 days of our travel. Of our travel.
Yeah, and you have some guys have iPhone. I show you last night Aurora.
Yes.
Did you have
Yes.
iPhone? Who's the iPhone?
We have it on Stockness. In Stockness.
Okay, last night we got.
Last night we got. Oh, dia lagi smart.
Ooh, where is this?
It's time left.
Where? Here?
Yeah, here.
Oh.
What time?
Wait, dia smart lagi gila. Smart lagi bro.
Yeah. If you want, I'll show you.
Using airdrop.
Using this one?
Yeah. No, not iPhone. This one.
Oh.
I'll take this one. Yeah.
Wow.
AC2 Pro. It's made in China.
Magic.
Oh, open it.
Okay.
Open it. Our job. Yeah. We like the shell. It's beautiful and amazing.
Bagus aku.
Yeah.
Okay. You got.
You see, you got it.
Here last night?
Yeah.
Oh.
Tonight, try to take it.
Alright.
Yeah.
What time, bro? What time, bro? We don't know.
Accept.
Oh.
Accept.
Oh, okay.
No problem. We take
Oh,
it like-
okay. Got it. Enjoy food first.
Yes.
No, I see. So, and at first I saw the 7 Aurora and show you how.
At the same country?
Yes, in Iceland. You show it.
Where this place? You get this color?
Yeah.
Yeah, in Iceland.
Where the specific place?
Like first day 2025. First day.
First day.
Yeah, New Year. Yeah.
So can I
You see?
see?
This is bicycle. This is the 7. Yeah. This is a different color, and this is the 10 left. Looks like a movie, another galaxy.
What is hell? Hell no, bro. Hell no.
I can't believe. Yeah.
Iceland?
I see. If you want, I'll show you. Oh, and open it. Yes. Yes. You got it.
Again, iPhone.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Welcome. Enjoy.
Have a nice day.
Yeah.
Bro,
You
what
too. You
time
too.
is the hour last night here? What time?
Anytime. I don't know. Maybe it's from 8 p.m. and to 12.
Alright, bro.
Yeah.
Thanks, bro.
Because I take this all night. Yeah.
Oh.
I use all battery, and you finish, I change another. Yeah.
But what place do you take the aurora of the color pink color? Where is the place? Here?
No, you only camping and to
Outside here?
Yeah, out. Yeah, because Over here have two strong light.
Oh,
You can go another way.
alright.
Yeah.
Thanks, bro.
Welcome. 我来吃我的炒肉。这火锅底料也不错，改善一下口味。帐篷吹的摇摇欲坠了。So this is
Yes. Yes.
Halavan? How many person sleep inside?
6 people.
6 person?
Yes. 6 people.
This 4 or 2? 3? 2? How much you rent?
For Wednesday, around 1,050.
From? Or Europe or dollar?
In ringgit Malaysia.
OK，男孩子的空间都这样，
This 4x4.
而且 4x4，很大了，这个是，在这个冰岛的公司的。Include everything? And this include this or you rent another
That it is included.
inside?
Yeah, yeah.
OK. Hello, morning. 两种房车对比一下，这个可以睡6个人，然后这个的话小的，是睡2个人，有点像床车哦。这个其实是正儿八经的房车。这在米湖营地啊，冰岛米湖营地，这边这休整了一天，主要是之前风太大了，就是在路上，在这种治安环境状态下，人的一个专注度会让自己的各种身心很紧绷。虽然都是一切都很安全，把这个睡袋晾着。好像早上下雨了，下的还挺大，风也大，就是这几天风一直没消停。要不然那个炉子把这衣服烤一下，洗过的，先把水晾了，然后再放到这，烤了1个晚上，已经干了。其他的都在这，收拾帐篷吧，只要人缓解了，然后就无畏为天气了。但是冰岛什么天气都遇到过，所以就小风小浪应该是问题不大。看这狂风吹的啊！下雨了，帐篷它一时半会受不了吗？这帐篷吹成这样，真是无敌呀！来吧，随风摇摆吧，摆起来！不喜欢跳舞吗？不花钱把这个帐篷湿的这一部分，晾一晾，烘一烘，你把它烘干一下，下次露营的时候舒服吧，方便。我看一下这帐篷干啊，这段时间经历的，就是默默沉下了所有的，有这帐篷干。风源是辅助，最主要的就是这帐篷干。我看到了吗？对，都已经歪成这样，有点像固模一样。厂里不是那固模机，然后这帐篷就是固模，就是不是特别轻易。它这个品牌的帐篷干，我是这每周用了3年吧，差不多3年。2020年加拿大出了车祸，然后这帐篷干全部都断了，就用了3年，所以质量还是很好的。这次的话在冰岛，大家都看到啊，这帐篷的确很抗风。这顶着风，然后来一趟这米湖小镇的超市，期待它开门开难。这边周末不开门，然后这边好像也不是特别大的超市，南来北往的都是来这 这要补给一下，干货还是挺多的哦。啊，各种货架，这边大补给，然后花了差不多9999，小1万吧。啊，这未来的这个到大城市80公里的补给应该是够了。没办法，这一带的超市好像就仅此这一家。一大袋羊肉，鸡翅、洋葱、胡萝卜，然后菜头。我天，羊肉对啊，比其他地方贵了1倍，贵了1倍呀！天杀了，5000多啊！我这不第一次，哼，我只是去买个菜，这风吹的逆风哎！骑得动啊，骑呀骑不动。到了，哎，到了，哎。这是买个菜啊，买个补给，真的是比登天还难。哎呦，我的天呐！嗯，再等等吧，等到天黑之后看一下这个风还大不大。回来了，回来了，就是困在原地，那么尝试测试一下，看能不能飞无人机啊。现在呢，这是到了米头，现在的风速呢是11米，这是啥呀？看能不能航拍一下呗，给大伙看看不一样的，小作一下嘛。啊，来吧，行吧。那现在就是这个显示屏没有显示但是这无人机，这看着心惊肉跳的嘛。哦，还是有，你看一下，飞机遭遇强风。此刻这个营地就像一个孤岛， 因为今天风特别特别大，自驾的好像都没有啊。我这不一个人在这吃着晚餐，然后炖了一锅羊肉汤，加了一点人参啊，其他的就乱配的，还有一点意面。这个意面是营地里有人来扔下的，就这么时间好久，把它吃了吧。加了个人参，各种人参片，香喷喷的，好像缺了点啥哦。没事，心里有就行。自己的炉子呢，因为我想用自己的锅。我们营地这个锅全是平底锅，炒菜还可以，但是熬汤不合适。此刻啊，我看视频的各位孤独吗？没事，有我陪着大家啊，有我陪着大家就不孤独。此刻我是真没觉得自己有多孤独，好脱了吧？人走在自己想走的道路上，那是不孤独的，精神世界是特别丰裕的。炫耀。嗯，这边好几天没吃羊肉了啊，5、6天了吧？太爽了！外面狂风大作，这幸亏今天晚上这营地就我一个人，然后呢，我就是在这个桌子下面打了一个地，而且像营地的话，早上应该是不会有人来，所以我明天也可以睡一个懒觉，看一下明天风向到底怎么样。风小一点，可以继续前行。那如果还是像今天达到11米/秒，是比较很难前行的。风基本上都是从南边来。如果小一点的话，还可以先到湖的南边，然后再稍稍往东好一点。然后明天看天行动吧，睡觉，那就随遇而安呗。哎，想着的挺好。晚安。